Welcome back to Wanderlust Reports. In my continuing quest for the best hotels in Bangkok, for the third time I'm staying near the Sukhumvit Asok crossroad, often called the center of Bangkok. After reviewing the excellent 4-star Clover Asok Hotel and enjoying the fantastic view from my room at the 5-star Continent Hotel, this time I'm checking out the HILTON BANKKOK GRANDE ASOKE. Is this hotel a great stay in one of the city's busiest areas? Let's find out. When I visited last December, a stunning Christmas tree adorned the hotel's soaring lobby. On my favorite hotel review sites, the HILTON BANKKOK GRANDE ASOKE holds an impressive average rating of 4.4 out of 5. From the 20th floor where my room was located, there's an impressive view of the hotel's atrium, stretching from the bottom all the way to the top. Let's check out my room, number 2003. I really like this wooden floor. It's a much better and more hygienic choice compared to carpet. It's a king guest room, so it features a king-size bed. And as expected from Hilton hotels, it's incredibly comfy. No power plug on this side of the bed. I don't understand why some hotels, like this one, only provide power outlets on one side of the bed. If two people are staying there, they might each have a smartphone they want to charge and keep handy during the night. At least, there are more plugs at the desk, which is very convenient if, like me, you need to work on your computer. The view from the window overlooks Asok Montri Road, one of the busiest streets in the city. However, it's very quiet inside as you can't hear a thing with the windows closed. The minibar is pretty basic, with just the essentials. Offering only Nescafe as the coffee choice doesn't quite meet the standards of a 5-star hotel. At least they have Dilma tea, which is a step up from Lipton Yellow, the Nescafe of teas. And the prices are outrageous, more than double what you'd find at other 5-star hotels in Bangkok. And there's a bathtub with a view. I've mentioned in previous videos how I find these open bathrooms to be an uninteresting trend that hotel designers seem to think is a must. But here, it really feels like the bathtub is part of the room, sitting right next to the bed. At least there are shades for some privacy if you're sharing the room with someone. The hygiene products are from a good, high-quality brand. Nice rain shower, which is for me way more important than a bathtub. Good choice of amenities too. The Japanese toilet is a nice touch, but you still have a bungum. The room service menu is quite extensive, which might appeal to some guests, but in a country where delicious food is so easy to find at street level, I'm definitely not one of them. Now, how's the Wi-Fi? Well, in a country where internet speeds are often lightning fast, this is just okay, nothing exceptional. To me, the room features a nice decor, a very comfy mattress, and a convenient desk, but it's let down by outrageous minibar prices and a clumsy bathtub setup that feels like it's inside the room. Of course, spa massage prices are 4 times what you'd pay at street level, but they're still a good value compared to any spa in the Western Hemisphere. The fitness room is well equipped and filled with natural daylight, which I much prefer over those basement gyms with no windows. I kinda like this pool. While it might seem narrow and enclosed between tall buildings, this isn't a resort. Given the hotel's location in the city, it's more than enough for a refreshing swim after a long day of exploring. Let's see if the breakfast will strengthen the overall good impression of the Hilton Bangkok Grande Asok, or on the contrary, diminish it. There's a delightful juice and smoothie bar here, adding a nice touch to the breakfast experience. On the other hand, these pre-cooked fried eggs are a poor choice. They're overcooked and unfortunately served lukewarm. But if you prefer, you can ask the staff to cook your eggs just the way you like them. And I took the eggs Benedict, which were just fine. All in all, it was an okay breakfast, but the dining room lacks any real charm. I stayed for 2 nights at this Hilton. How much did it cost? I paid $150 for my king bedroom with breakfast, which is an average price for a hotel of this category in Bangkok. To wrap it up, the Hilton Bangkok Grande Asoke has a perfect location, a nice swimming pool, a comfortable room, and an enjoyable fitness room. However, the minibar prices are crazy, and the clumsy bathtub in the room is a bit of a letdown. All in all, it's a solid choice for anyone looking to stay in the heart of Bangkok.